how it is dark in the jungle. Totally quiet, and you can hear the sound of the fox from far away. You can see the moon. It's a full moon today in this dense jungle. This is a totally new experience. So this is day 2, and today we are not having any plan because almost we covered every place here. There is one more forest left near to this place, that is Aharmunda forest. So today we will be going there. It is like 4 in the evening. From the morning we just took rest in my brother's house, had some great food. There was some work in the office, completed that, and now we have got out. We'll go to that forest and we'll explore a bit there, enjoy the sunset from there, and then we will head back home. So today there is no car, and so we will be going by scooty and bike. So I can show you the road, and once I reach there we will explore it, because tomorrow early morning I will be back home. So this is the last part of the trip, so just enjoy the video. Much denser jungle than what we saw yesterday. Today there is no car, we are going by bike. It's too much windy, so I can't do much vlogging now. I will show you the road. একটু মাঝামাঝি হয় এগো, একটু মাঝে 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 রাস্তার মাঝে মাঝখানে, একটু মাঝখানে ভালো এসছে, পারফেক্ট এসছে। একটা হেভি ছবি এসছে, ভালো ছবি এসছে। ওই রাস্তাটা মাঝখানে তোমার বাইক নিয়ে যাচ্ছে পেছন থেকে, মাঝ বরাবর গেছে। So that side is the village road, but now we are entering the jungle. Jungle starts here. This looks like a very dense forest because I can hear the cricket chirping. This side is the field. Tractor is working on that, and that side there is the villages, but this side the jungle starts. মাঠের ভিতর দিয়ে যাবো যেখানে গেছিলাম। It is quite dense. হ্যাঁ ভালোই জঙ্গল। হ্যাঁ বাম দিকে যে গ্রামটা বলছিলাম, হ্যাঁ so we are entering the jungle officially. That was the village playground, and now it has this type of road has started. So I will show you the road. I'm so hard in my killer, mesmerized by the lines. I'm so hard in my killer.
চল আবে চল না জঙ্গলটার নাম হচ্ছে আহারমুন্ডার জঙ্গল
হ্যাঁ
আহারমুন্ডা
আহারমুন্ডা So this is the forest, Armunda forest. We came by bike and scooty to this point. I'm live করছি না এমনি ভিডিও করছি. So this is the forest which I was talking about. It is very much dense. You can see this totally dense place. There was a village at that last point which I showed you, and again there is a village after some few kilometers. So this is a long stretch of forest. That side, the main forest area is that side. We are on the edge because with the bike we cannot enter much. So we have come towards an edge. It is very deep, dense jungle. You can see. You can hear the sound of the crickets. Totally silent. Not a single human sound or a sign of any human. Only some roads are made for the villagers. Maybe some animals are also there. I'm not sure about that. It is totally a quiet and dense place. The ambience is perfect. You can come here and sit for some time and relax. Just feel the silence. So this is just the point till where we can bring our bikes, and after this point we have to walk. So I will walk a bit inside because it is evening time. It is already got late, so we will not go much inside that jungle. It will not be safe. We will go inside for some distance and then we will come back, and I will show you the way. Side time that we will go back home because it is getting dark. It is not safe in this forest. Just now we saw a wild fox, and also this forest is a habitat of the bear, which is the most dangerous thing. So that's why we are not taking the risk. So we will head back home now. That side the wild fox come out and went this side. He is afraid of the humans, but not all the animals are, especially the bears. But nothing else is there. Only birds and small animals. So just see the total dense jungle view once again. This place is unexplored bit, so people can come and explore sometimes. This is Ahirmunda forest in Mendipur. So it is dark in the jungle. Totally quiet, and you can hear the sound of the fox from far away. You can see the moon. It is a full moon today in this dense jungle. This is a totally new experience, and it is totally dense and silent, not any other single sound. It gives a haunted feeling. See the moon. It's amazing.
Then we started hearing many uncanny and strange noises from the jungle around us. So we thought that it would be wiser to move out now, and we decided to leave the forest at that point of time.
বড় ক্লাস আসছে। হ্যাঁ ছাড়ো, খেয়ে যাই আরামসে। এক নম্বরে আসছে রে। এটা তোমার মনে হয় 10:30টাই। 10:30 নয়, এটা তো 9:44। Today I am heading home and this is the Khodakpur station. My brother dropped me till here in his car. There is no parking, so we are not allowed to enter. So we had some tea. Now we are entering Khodakpur station. So this is Khodakpur Junction. This is the largest railway station in Asia. You can see how long it is. The end cannot be seen from this side. So I will be heading back home in a local train because express train need reservation from earlier nowadays. I did not knew that. I did not got any ticket for express train. So I bought a ticket for local train. It will be arriving within the next 20 minutes and then I will reach back home through the local train from Mednipur Howrah local or Kharagpur Howrah local. Anything I will get, I will travel back home by that. You can see the platform starting from there, from that point, that side, and from there, this side is cannot be even seen. It is such a large platform. So yeah, this is Khodakpur Junction. So I have boarded the train. This is Khodakpur Howrah local. It will leave within the next 5 minutes. And you can see the train is totally empty. There are very few people, lots of seats available. People are not traveling much due to the COVID restrictions. So the train is pretty empty right now. So it will be easier for me. I will have a nap maybe. I can like sit, relax in a relaxed pose. So that's it. The end of the trip, starting from Bokkali, then coming to Belda for a 3 days trip, sort of in my brother's house, roamed a lot of places. So now it's time to go back to home and go back to normal life. But very soon a big thing is coming. A big plan is coming. So subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get all the notification related to my channel. Anytime I upload a new video, you will get that. Okay, so tata. I will show you a bit of video on the way from the train. So for now, goodbye. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Destination Howrah Junction. Next station Begunton. Junction পর্যন্ত যাওয়ার এই ট্রেনটি পরবর্তী স্টেশন আন্দুল। Passengers are requested to kindly retrain after the train stops at platform.
Thank you.